You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this biblical name, the name of this biblical figure, character, a soldier. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, stay tuned. In Hebrew, I believe his name is pronounced as Uriah, but in English, the standard pronunciation, what's used in English for this biblical name is Uriah. Uriah the Hittite. Uriah the Hittite. English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.